Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening language options so you can remove ENG immediately. Click the Taskbar ENG label or press Windows plus space. Once the menu appears, choose Language Preferences to open settings. Make sure you are in the Region and Language or Language page under Time and Language. If Windows requests permission, grant it. You need admin rights for some changes. Keep the settings window visible and avoid switching apps, because the next actions happen inside these panels and must be performed sequentially. Next, remove the ENG keyboard layout to drop the indicator. Choose the specific English language entry, click Options, and locate Installed Keyboards. If you see US or another ENG layout, select it and choose Remove. This deletes the keyboard and typically removes ENG from the taskbar. If Windows prevents removal because it's the only layout, add a different keyboard first, for example, United Kingdom or a non-English layout, then remove ENG. These steps change active input options immediately, so watch the language indicator. Finish by refreshing the interface so the ENG label disappears. Sign out and back in or restart Explorer. EXE via Task Manager to force the taskbar to update. If ENG still shows, open Control Panel's Language Advanced settings and set the default input method, then reboot. Make sure taskbar settings aren't forcing a language icon. Check turn system icons on or off and the notification area options. If problems persist, confirm you removed all English keyboards and that no third-party input software is restoring ENG automatically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.